Health Decisions Test number 4, fraction addition. As with the previous problem, it's a lot easier if we rewrite these fractions with one number directly above the other. I also want to leave a little bit of room where I can write some fraction unreducing. I want a common denominator for 3 and 4 and 6. There's several ways to do this. If you can't see it right away, then a good method for this test, the way it randomly generates problems, is just to start listing the multiples. For 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. For 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. And for 6, we have 6, 12, 18, and so on. And we can see that 12 is on all 3 lists, so that's the one we want. How do we get from 3 to 12? Again, if your mental math isn't working, or if this was a bigger number that you couldn't do so easily, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing a times 4, and if we do it on the bottom, to be fair, we have to do it on the top. How do we get from 4 to 12? 1, 2, 3. So we're doing a times 3. To be fair, if we do it on the bottom, we have to also do it on the top. How do we get from 6 to 12? Times 2. So now I have changed into a common denominator. I have 8 twelfths, 6 twelfths, and 18 twelfths. When I add fractions, the twelfths stays the same. It's a label, like apples or oranges or cars. On the top, I have 8 plus 6 plus 18. So 8 plus 6 will be 12, and 18 more will be 30. If you want, then you can say this looks funny. The top is too big, we need to make a mixed number out of the improper fraction. Or you could leave it as an improper fraction. But either way, to be responsible, we need to reduce this as much as we can. So I'm going to divide the top and bottom by the biggest thing that fits into both. I can see that it's 6. If you pick something smaller, like 2, then you would just keep dividing and have steps, whittle away at it a little bit at a time. So 5 halves, I could do that. Or if I didn't like having the improper fraction, I could just start drawing pictures. 2 halves, 4 halves, and one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves of circles, so that's 2 1/2.